So we've moved on. We're in Albion, and we're parked over here. That's our van there, and this is San Antonio Camper Park. Really nice. I think there's 50 something pitches here, but a lovely couple they are. So yeah, really nice. Got bins on site.
Yeah, I saw bins.
Yeah.
I haven't really seen anything about
I haven't. No, I'll have a look. We'll have a look for the Elsa when we come out. But yeah, really nice.
Yeah, it's an internet.
Nice and quiet. Yeah, there's a bar in it.
Yeah.
So this is our view. We've got one of the front pitches. So this is our view of the sea, and the harbour's up there. Harbour's just over there. But yeah, so we're here for 2 nights. So what way would you like to walk? We're going to walk that way. Lucky enough, it's a one-way street. This is all walkway outside of here. This is really nice. But yeah, this is our view.
Yeah,
there's lots of sailing boats and whatnot out there, isn't there?
Yeah.
And lots of other boats just moored up out there, it looks like, but
I don't know what that.
I don't know if you can see them on here, but
Go home.
so we're just going to wander along. There's a beach up here,
Yeah.
but we're going to wander along, have a look at that, see what that's like. And then I found a craft beer company, didn't I? So
Yeah.
I'm going to have a wander, see if we can.
That's covering the top of the mountain.
Yeah, they won't. I don't think you'll see that. I don't think I can zoom in enough.
Someone's out there snorkeling.
Yeah, see the cloud on top of the mountain out there. Oh yeah. So we've walked down, and then there's a few bars and restaurants along here, which is quite nice. They're all open, they look very nice.
Yeah. 0-0.
Yeah. Toilet on the beach. Do your beach exercise if you want. Beach exercise there.
Camping one down the road.
Yeah, that's. Remember we saw the signs for
Yeah.
camp lunch, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can do a few beach exercises here if you feel the need. You know, a little wander around. And that. Yeah, quite a nice little walk down, isn't it? Boat out. Oh, so that Cat Blanche is just here.
Just there.
So there's another motorhome place that's just here.
Close by.
So that's 2 that's here then, isn't it?
Yeah.
And that's the reception that is just there next to that.
Yeah.
So it's quite. That looks like quite a big campsite in there. That looks. You can see in the distance. We thought it was boats, but they're not. It's actually a fish farm that's out there in the sea. Can't really see it on this. I'll have to see if I can zoom in a bit more when I edit this.
3 days later.
Well, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the channel. It is Saturday. Yeah?
Yep.
Saturday,
Yeah.
6th of December. We're down just outside Alicante. We've been here since Thursday. We left Benidorm on Thursday. We didn't film any of Benidorm. It's been done 1,010,000 times. And to be quite honest, Benidorm's not for us. But anyway, we did manage to go up into, walked all the way. We stayed at Racco. We walked all the way from Racco to Old Town, up to Tapas Alley, had some lovely tapas there, and walked all the way back again. So we got our steps in Benidorm, didn't we? But
Oh, we did that.
we stayed there for 2 nights. We're down here for 3. This is our last night here. And again, as you can see, he's washing the van. And I'm doing some more washing. So we're just making use of all the facilities while we're here. There is electric hookup. We've chosen not to have it. We don't need it. We've got enough of our own electric on board that we haven't used any hookup since I think we were at Camp Frank. Yeah, so we haven't used hookup since. We're quite self-sufficient, which is great. Having the lithium and the running a 24-volt system in our van, all done by Bluefix. So we've run 2 lithium batteries, 2 175 solar panels on the roof, and it does the job for us. We're boiling a kettle, using the air fryer.
Dryers.
Sorry?
Your hairdryer.
Hairdryer's on, yeah, all of that. The inverter takes care of all of that. It's absolutely fine. 3,000 watt inverter does job perfectly.
Go for 20.
Yeah, if you're thinking of a battery upgrade and you're going to go lithium, I highly recommend don't do 12 volt, do 24. It's much more efficient. If you can run, sorry, there's a fly there. You can run absolutely everything, no problem whatsoever. But I'll turn you around. I'll show you this little area. It's only been open since about August, I think it is. He said he'd been open about 3 months, but it's absolutely beautiful. Obviously, you've got all your facilities here. You've got electric on your pitch. You can put your waste off, your grey waste off your pitch. There's a little pipe there that you can pipe into if you want. We haven't bothered. There's a service point, so you can come and just do services as well if you wanted to. But yeah, he's going to expand as well, which is really great. You can hear the aeroplanes from Alicante. We're down from Alicante Airport. But it's stunning. It's beautiful. It's really peaceful. Today we've heard more planes.
Saturday.
Yeah, Saturday. Yesterday evening we heard a few more planes, but it was Friday.
It's not annoying.
No, it's fine, isn't it? We can fine with it. Right. So I'm going to turn you around. So I'll walk you down to the entrance, so you can see that. You can see where you come in. It's just really nice, really peaceful, really lovely. That's the cleaning lady. So yeah, so I'll walk you down to the entrance, just so that you can see it. And then you can see where you come in. I'll show you the service point and all of that, and the entrance. And yeah, it's really good. It's lovely. €18 a night. Absolutely perfect. So yeah. So you are kind of in the middle of nowhere here, guys, so you will need transport if you want to get out and do anything. But yeah, so this is the road that you come in. You're about 20 minutes on a bike to the beach, so probably about 5 or 10 minutes. But here we are, Lomas Balsara's resort. He is new, he is going to expand. He has got the big space next door, he's going to expand into there. So yeah, so you come in here. He has got a QR code, so if the gate is closed, you can scan the QR code. It will open the gate and let you in. It's very secure. He locks it at 8 o'clock. Reception is just over here on your left-hand side. That's where you check in. And over here on your right-hand side is your services, your drive-over service point, where you can dump your grey, dump your toilet, fill up with water, and the bins are there, and he does do all recycling. So as you can see, the pictures are really nice and big. You've got plenty of space for your pitch. You can take out tables and chairs, obviously, if you want to. So yeah, so it's really nice. So I'll show you where the facility block is, and he's even got a swimming pool here, which obviously on a beautifully nice sunny beautiful day would be absolutely glorious. So yeah, so swimming pool is over here. I'll show you that first. We're parked beside it, that's us there. So I'm still cleaning. We're up on our levelling legs. Didn't think we were that unlevel, but clearly we are. So yeah, so here beside us here, he's got a swimming pool. So swimming pool there. Some chairs around if you wanted to come and relax here. A little bit, a few palm trees, a little bit of a play park for the kids and a petanque. And then pictures carry on around here, and then this is your facility block just here. So you've got the men's just there, toilets and showers. You've got a disabled part here. You've got down here, you've got washing machines, tumble dryers, 2 washing machines, 2 tumble dryers. Really easy to use. It's on the machine that's just here. You can scan the QR code and get the app, which is fine, which I've done, but you don't need. Sinks all here. And then sinks all out here at the back. And then I'll just take you in if there's no one in, the ladies, and I'll show you that. I've got baby changing here. And then this is, there's nobody in, so I'll show you. So, sinks here, toilets this side, and then this side is the showers. Now they're lovely big showers, no push button, lovely rainfall, absolutely perfect. They are perfect, and they are spotless. That cleaning lady is around here at least twice a day. She's just been in, she's just finished, she's gone again now. So yeah, this is Los Alcazares. Beautiful, absolutely stunning. We'll move on from here tomorrow. I'm going to go down to Zenia probably. I want to go and do a bit of retail therapy. I don't know if you'll pick that up, guys, but there's a plane taking off, but I don't know whether you'll pick it up. Probably not. EasyJet, going home. So yeah, so we're going to head down to Zenia tomorrow, probably to Zenia Boulevard, and can do some shopping, I think. See if we can stay in the car park overnight there. If not, it doesn't matter, we'll move on to a little bit further down the coast of Los Alcazares. I know there's an air there that we can stay on, and that's free. So, but yeah, we'll take you with you. See you soon. Right, morning everyone, welcome back to the channel.
Morning.
Today we're going to leave Zenia Boulevard. We've been parked in the car park. It's been great. Couple of nights here. I wouldn't stay any longer than that. You're overstaying your welcome, really, if you do. But anyway, it's great for a stop. All the shops are here, including supermarkets. But we're going to move on today, and we'll show you where we go when we get there.
A few moments later.
Right, we've arrived at Los Alcazares. On the air. It's busy for people doing services. It's been busy ever since we got here this morning. So, but we're going to take a walk down. He's just setting the Van Guardian, but yeah, it's really busy. I'll turn you around so you can see it. So this is all of the parking here as you come in. And then this is your service point that's over here. But it's really busy. So yeah, so you come out onto a road here.
Okay, we've got the fire brigade next to us.
We've got the fireman next door, so we're all right. Yeah, there's a van parked across, and there's more parked.
There's more
Look,
over there, yeah.
there's quite a few that have come and parked out here. Maybe they didn't. This is all an urbanisation that's not.
Over the back doors.
Yeah, but they're all parking in there because it is going to be urbanisation. As you can see, there is building work going on.
There's a lot
But
of building work.
obviously at the moment the parking is all there, but the
It's going to come in for services.
the parking's all here, but there's no houses yet, so people can park there. So
Loads of new build going
but there
on.
is lots of new build going on down the road. So yeah, so you come out onto this road, and we're going to walk down here.
Yeah.
There's a bin right outside as well.
Yeah.
So that's all right.
The zone part is quite nice on the out.
Yeah,
Stones.
just a nice roundabout, guys. But they do like a roundabout in Spain, I have to say. So yeah, looks really nice. I don't know if I can pick it up, guys, but there's like a Humpty Dumpty mural on the wall here, and then on the next one there's a boy, and then there's a lady looking out. Very nice. Don't know if you'll make it out, but isn't that like Mar Menor, like the La Manga strip that's all in front of us? But it's really hazy, so you might not be able to make it out. There's a whole strip there in front of us here, and then a little harbour just here. So it's obviously for statue of
Yeah, you've got
some
a sign
sort,
there.
isn't it?
To do with fishing, I would say. Probably an old fishing port maybe, years ago.
Yeah. Bringing in the nets.
Mm.
But it is lovely along here though, isn't it?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah, so nice. And so you can see that's a 5 monument to fishermen 1998. The Scottish Brooks in bronze pays homage to the fishing routes of Los Alcazares. He was a fisherman who, with great effort after a hardy day's work, dragged an empty net behind him, mounted upon sea horses, 2 mermaids symbolising the Mar Menor and the Mediterranean Sea, sorrowful for the fisherman's fruitless labours, helping by placing fish in his net. Mar Menor, and out there obviously there's fishing boats, but out further in the distance is the La Manga strip. Very nice.